we're going to take my convocation photo. I'm going to take my convocation photo in Penrisen and also Majma Mall, yeah, Majma Mall. And I'm with my sister and also my grandma. My grandma is in the back.
Take the second exit.
And right now we're on our way. See ya in Kota Sentosa. Hi guys, so I got the pictures. This is my friends. Where's mine? Kawan aku. Kawan saya. Mana saya punya? Ah, ini saya punya. Tarik tu ya. Okay, so this is mine. This is mine. It look great, but okay lah. Thank you so much for taking such a great picture. I look pretty here. Okay guys, so now we're in Majma Mall and right now they're having a things called as exotic pet exhibition, so you can look around. Oh my god!